Looking for a powerful and feature-packed ride for your child? The best electric scooters for kids under $400 offer enhanced speed, longer range, and advanced safety features. Perfect for older kids who are ready to upgrade their ride without going over budget. Number 1. Hiboy Q2 Lite Electric Scooter. This kid's electric scooter with seat is designed exclusively for kids aged 4 to 10. It meets the UL 2272 Electrical Safety Certification standards. Driven by a 100W brushless motor, it can reach a top speed of 9.3 miles per hour, 15 kilometers per hour. The intuitive and adjustable controls ensure that even young riders can pick it up quickly. The bright neon lights add a dazzling visual element to every ride. Equipped with tough 8.5-inch solid tires, this kid's electric scooter delivers a smooth and stable ride on most surfaces. No more worrying about flat tires, just reliable performance and comfort on every ride. This kid's electric scooter with seat features a comfortable seat made of TPR material, offering a soft touch, excellent elasticity, and flexibility, ensuring a cozy ride for children. Perfect for little ones who prefer seated riding. It provides reliable support and a smooth, effortless experience every time they hop on. Number 2. Hiboy 350W Peak Motor Electric Scooter. This Hiboy electric scooter features stylish, personalized lighting and a lightweight design, suitable for teens up to 180 pounds and 5 to 6 feet tall. It meets UL 2272 safety standards tested by SGS. With a 250W in regular mode, this Hiboy scooter reaches 13 miles per hour and a 10.6-mile range, depending on conditions. Ideal for commuting and college campuses, it offers reliable performance for everyday use. Switch between 9 miles per hour and 13 miles per hour modes easily with the multi-function button. The Hiboy e-scooter also features cruise control for a smooth ride, enhancing your travel experience. Featuring 6.5-inch solid tires, the Hiboy scooter handles 15% grades and various road conditions smoothly. Its dual braking system adds extra safety for reliable stops. Number 3. Razor RX 200 Scooter. With the trailblazing new RX 200, the ride begins where the pavement ends. Beefed up to withstand tough terrain, the RX 200 features off-road tires, disc brake, and a new gear ratio for high-torque trail riding, making it off-road ready right out of the gate. Rip up the trails at speeds up to 12 miles per hour, 19 km/h. Features: chain-driven motor with new gear ratio for high-torque trail use, rear sprocket drivetrain with freewheel for coasting with a run time of up to 40 minutes of continuous use. Also features a twist grip throttle and new hand-operated rear disc brake, a lightweight steel frame and fork, riser-style handlebars, soft rubber grips, triple bolt clamp, full deck grip tape, heavy-duty alloy wheels with 60 psi on off-road tires, and a retractable kickstand. Powered by a 24V, 212V sealed lead-acid, rechargeable battery system, battery charger included. Recommended for ages 13 and older, and will support a rider up to 154 pounds. Leave the pavement behind. Our lineup of off-road rides are turning the great outdoors into your personal playground. Built to withstand the punishment of tough trails and rough terrain, these hard-charging, dirt-blasting rides leave the competition in the dust. Read and understand the enclosed owner's manual before riding. The buyer and rider of all Razor scooters are responsible for knowing and obeying all local, state, and federal regulations regarding the riding and use of scooters. Number 4. Razor Power Core E100 Electric Scooter. Equipped with a 100W high-torque in-wheel hub motor featuring Razor's Power Core technology, it provides up to 11 miles per hour top speed and requires a kickstart. Riders must push to 3 mph before throttle activates, ensuring a smooth and safe acceleration experience. Runs for up to 60 minutes of continuous use, approximately 5 to 7 miles. powered by a 24V sealed lead-acid battery. Initial charge takes up to 12 hours, with full subsequent charges in 6 hours. Features a hand-operated caliper brake at the front and the ability to decelerate by throttle release. This helps safely stop the scooter, even downhill, thanks to its responsive braking power. An 8-pneumatic front tire absorbs bumps for smoother cruising, while the rear airless tire is abrasion-resistant and maintenance-free. Constructed with steel and aluminum, it supports riders up to 120 pounds, 54 kilograms. Weighs around 23 to 25 pounds, 10.5 to 11.3 kilograms, and includes a retractable kickstand for convenient parking. Number 5. iScooter i10 Electric Scooter. iScooter i10 Electric Scooter, for adults, your ideal companion for commuting and short trips. With a robust 42V/15H battery, this e-scooter boasts an impressive 28 miles cruising range, making it a cost-effective choice for your daily travels. It ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, delivers high torque with low power consumption, reaching a top speed of 25 miles per hour and conquering slopes of up to 15 to 20 degrees. Customize your riding experience through the iScooter app, where you can set the top speed and lock your e-scooter for adults securely. This adult electric scooter boasts a unique combination of features, including directional signals, headlights and taillights. Say goodbye to worries about nighttime rides. It also comes with a foldable design, which is easy to carry anywhere. Weighing only 44 pounds and supporting a maximum load of 264 pounds. It's a breeze to carry on public transportation or stow in your car.